Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Following that, tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, click on this gear next to Password Manager and make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Then log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. If you wish to do it, hit this plus next to Search Passwords, input any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, input password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!